Congratulations and thank you for investing just a little bit of time and money in how to get in better shape with dumbbells. So how you're going to want to go through this program is, first of all, you have to make sure that you agree to the waiver and the liability. Okay, now that I got that out of the way, by using this program, you're agreeing to that liability and waiver release. Now, as it pertains to the workouts and the exercises, the first thing I would do is go through all the videos before you even attempt to do any workouts. Make sure that you're understanding proper form and how to do the dumbbell exercises. Really get a feel for how I'm doing them and listen to the commentary that I have placed over the top of the exercises. This is to benefit you. If you want, you can go through the About Me section and see that I'm really passionate and love to help people in whatever way I can, especially as it pertains to health and fitness, but there are other programs and things that I'm going to branch out to as well. As you know, I have 12 years experience or more in the fitness industry. I've trained 20,000 plus training sessions, and I've really dedicated my life to helping people with fitness, with health, nutrition, all of these things. You're going to find bonus materials at the end. Take what you want with those. Please watch them. If you're interested in any other programs, please look at my other programs that I have created. This is not to hard sell you, but it's to help you however I can. If you would be kind enough to give a review, I would appreciate that. I'm always trying to make better courses, so I need ideas, and I'm okay with constructive criticism, and I definitely I get a great feeling when I do get those 5 stars for what I have done and the effort that I've put in. I've put in hundreds, if not thousands of hours to create programs, and I'm getting better and better at them. So now, in the program, there are certain things that you want to understand. Number one, I've been doing this for a very long time. I have tried so many different things. What I found works best for me is short, compact, and as much volume as I can get in that amount of time. That really seems to work well for me. That's why I made these workouts quick. I made them, some of them only 6, 5, 7 minutes, somewhere in that range. And they really are focused on circuit training with dumbbells with short breaks in between. I think it builds great conditioning along with power, strength, and speed all in one. Now, it's not the only type of workouts I do. I use different modalities, but you can look at those on Udemy if you would like. So without further ado, I want you to go through the program. I want you to go through each section, see the exercises, and then see the circuits. Then go ahead and then try them yourself. Understand, you don't have to use the same weights I do. You can use more, you can use less, but you have to know your level. Obviously, if you're intermediate, I would go a little bit lighter weights. Try that first. If you're more advanced, go ahead and try a heavier weight. I wouldn't go too heavy though, because this is a conditioning type workout. The real heavy stuff, you want to focus on a little bit longer breaks in between, and you're going to need those breaks if you're going closer to your maximal weight. And I won't bore you with all the details of that because that's in other programs. But what you want to do with this program is use it as part of your conditioning. I wouldn't recommend doing more than 2 to 3 workouts a week. We need recovery, and I have that in the bonus section. So I appreciate you, and I look forward to your success.